Yes, good morning students. Let us continue with the exercise 6.3. Question number 15. X plus 2y is less or equal to 10. X plus y is greater or equal to 1. X minus y is less or equal to 0. X is greater or equal to 0. Y is greater or equal to 0. So first of all, we will write this inequality in the form of equation that x plus 2y that is equal to 10 or x is equal to 10 minus 2y. So we will plot these points x, y. We will take y as 0, x will come as 10. We will take this y as 5, x will come as equal to 0. Come with second, that is we will write it in the form of equation, that is x is equal to 1 minus y. Now here students, x, y, we will take the value of y as 0. The value of x will come as equal to 1. If y is 1, this will come as equal to 0. And come with third equality, we will write it in the form of equation, that is x is equal to y. Now here students, this is x, y, 0, 0. If I will take 5, 5. Both, if x is 5, then y will automatically 5. Now let us plot these points on the graph. This is horizon, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now it is up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 7 I have taken on the y-axis. First point is 10 and 0. You know student, it will lie here. This is 0 and 5, it will lie here. We will draw the line. And we will name it as line 1. Come with the second. This is 1, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 1. Yes, the line, that is L2, will pass from there. Come with third, that is 0, 0, it will lie on the horizon. And second one is 5 and 5. 5 and 5, it will lie here then students, 5 and 5. Now, the line, this is L3, will pass from the horizon. Now students, we have to check that where is the shaded region. So first we will come here, we will check how to check it. Put x as equal to 0 and y as equal to 0 in the first inequality here. While we will put 0 into 2 into y, 2 into 0 is less than 10, means 0 is less than 10. It means it's true then students. For the first line, true means, earlier I have told you, it is very important to understand, while it is true, it means it will shade the region, it will include the horizon, toward the horizon like this. This region will be shaded here by the line 1. Come with the second one. Now here, x plus y, that is greater or equal to 1, means 0 plus 0 is greater or equal to 1. You know that this is false, because 0 is not greater or equal to 1. So for the line 2, what you will observe that students, that it will not include the horizon, it will be away from the horizon. It will shade the region away from the horizon. Right? Come with third one, that is x minus y is less or equal to 0. So here what you will say, that 0 minus 0 is less or equal to 0, 0 is less or equal to 0. It means by taking 0 and 0, we cannot tell that where the shaded region will lie? It is toward the axis or toward the y-axis. So let us come, students. I am going to tell you here how to identify it. What you will do, x minus y is less or equal to 0. Now we have to check that it is toward x-axis because the line is passing from there. The area, that is the region that is shaded, is toward the x-axis or toward the y-axis. So let us check it. What you will do, you will take the point 2 and 0 and plot it on this inequality, and you will see that 2 minus 0 is less or equal to 0. So what do you say? You will say that this is false. Means that region will not toward the x-axis. If I will take it as 0 and 2, then what you will see, students, that 0 minus 2 is less or equal to 0, minus 2 is less or equal to 0. It means it is true. So what idea we will get from here, that the area is toward the y-axis. Mean the region that is shaded here, that is toward the y-axis. Means this area, that is the area that is bounded by these three lines, and students. Once again here I want to tell you once again that this line 1 is including the origin, line 2 that is away from the origin, whatever the region that is bounded by it, that is away from the region. Here is the line 3, that is the region is toward the y-axis. It means this area is, this region is the combined region, or student, it will known as the feasible region. That's it.